one of the country's top TV hosts and certified MMFF box office queen. Everyone, please welcome Asia's uncontrollable, phenomenal box office superstar, Vice Ganda! What's up, mga people? Hello po! Magandang hapon po! Hello, Vice!
Hi, MJ!
Pati ka mo, ang daming tao ngayon, Vice!
What's up, mga people? Subayin niyo ang kagandahan? Parang Sunday na Sunday, di ba? Misang-misa. So, ayun lang po. Makakauwi na po. Ay, wait lang, people! Ayan, sige, picture na rin na ako ng picturean, pero make sure, huwag ipopost agad. I-edit muna sa face app. Smile 2. Smile 2. Thank you very much po.
Thank you, Vice. Vice, have a seat. Ayan, grabe na. Welcome to the Sandy Barley family. Okay, magkwentuhan tayo.
Let's go!
Diba? Vice, gusto namin malaman talaga is, kailan ba nagsimula si Vice? Upo daw muna, upo. Ayan.
Huwag
Upo daw muna.
niyo pong pagkaitan yung mga nasa likod na masaksihan ng kagandahan ko, please. Everybody deserves to be blessed by my beauty today.
Correct! Ariana ka today.
Yes, Cynthia ka today, di ba? Weekend tayo today.
Weekend tayo. Okay, at this point, we are now proceeding with our Q&A segment. Again, we're requesting everybody to sit down. Upo tayo para makita ng lahat. Ayan. Thank you.
Dami palang tao.
Hanggang sa dulo, Vice. Oh, grabe!
Parang dapat yung marapol ka ngayon. Ay, dalawang kotse. Kasama ba ako dyan? Dapat kasama tayo sa raffle.
Alright, ito na. Magkakwentuhan na tayo. Konting katahimikan. Kalma tayo. Vice, what made you say yes to Sandy Barley?
What made me say yes? Bakit naman ako mag-no sa Sunday Barney, di ba? Sinong taong nasa taong pag-iisip ang mag-no sa Sunday Barney? But seriously, syempre, when I was offered, when I was told na may gustong makipag-collaborate sa akin ng Sunday Barney, first, syempre, yung team ko, we researched about the company, about the products. We of course, we all have to make sure na syempre, legit ba yung kumpanyang makakasama natin, makaka-collab natin, maganda ba yung mga produkto niya, ano bang epekto nito sa mga kapwa natin Pilipino, ano bang magandang dulot nito, at ayun nga, our team has proven na legit magandang kumpanya at matagal na pala ang Sandy Barney at napakaraming Pilipino, napakaraming breadwinners ang natulungan ng Sandy Barney. So, yes, let's go, let's do this.
Love it. Pero how often do you use it?
Since I started using Sandy Barney, every day ginagamit ko na siya. Every day. Kasi hindi ako mag-breakfast eh. So, sakto lang yung gising ko going to showtime. So, bago ako mag-lunch for showtime, nagsa-Sandy Barney na ako.
Kaya ang next question dyan, how are you living for more with Sandy Barley?
Well, Sandy Barney has allowed me to live for more. Wow, beauty queen. So, how? Well, syempre, maganda kasi yung products ng Sandy Barney. Ang pinakamahalagang dulot nito sa akin, yung nabuboost niya ang immune system ko. Syempre, through that, I am able to live for more kasi I am part of a very challenging industry. Diba? Very challenging and demanding. Nagcha-challenge at dinidemand niya so much of my time, of my strength, of my health. So, kahit ang daming privileges, opportunities na dumarating sa buhay ko, sa trabaho ko, sa karera ko, kung hindi ako physically fit, kung hindi ko kayang humarap sa mga hamon ng trabaho ko, hindi ko magagawa at ma-achieve pati yung mga marami ko pang mga pinapangarap na papagtagumpayan sa buhay. So sa pamamagitan ng Sandy Barley, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko. Diba? Mas maayos ang aking pangangatawan upang mas humaba pa yung lakas ko araw-araw. Kasi especially ngayon, ang stress level natin ang taas-taas. Di ba? Parang, tapos yung
Doon pa sa
24
monitor,
hours na
te.
yun, ang bilis niyang nauubos.
Ay,
Pero bago
wait
pa
lang.
maubos yung oras at yung araw, minsan nauubos na yung lakas
Ayan,
natin.
te.
Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Kailangan meron
Ito,
tayong
gawin
karampatang
mo sa
lakas
akin.
ng mga katawan upang maharap yung mga kailangan nating harapin at mapagtagumpayan araw-araw. Sa
Against the
trabaho,
lights.
personal o professional man yan,
Ayun.
kailangan meron tayong sapat na lakas. At yung immune system natin ay kailangan natin kilalanin at mapakalagaan. At yun ang magandang dulot sa akin ng Sunday Party.
Galing! Russell, Sir Joey, why Vice ganda?
Well, dahan mo yan.
Ang hirap pagsundan si Vice, ano? Well, from day one, everyone knows Vice ganda. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Vice at kwentuhan kami, doon ko na-realize that there's something in Vice na I know maging inspiration to all our business owners. Timing lang talaga yung movie, The Breadwinner, di ba? Pero what we are here for is really inspiring our business owners, we call them our business owners, inspiring them, people from ordinary background and now living an extraordinary life. Nung nakilala ko si Vice, sabi ko, siya yung perfect example ng isang Sunday business owner who rose from the ranks. Kung kilala niyo si Vice nung unang panahon pa, diba, compare yun now, ang layo na eh. And ang nakikita,
Sa itsura ba yung tinutukoy mo?
yung itsura siyempre, paganda ng paganda, di ba? Pero ang nakwento sa akin ni Vice, na nagiging inspiration siya ng marami niyang kaibigan. In fact, one of the things na nagustuhan ko kay Vice, sabi ko nga maganda minsan pagkwentuhan natin, is yung habit niya when it comes to money, spending money. Sabi ko, she can be an inspiration to a lot of people because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, di ba? It's how much money you save and you reinvest. And Vice is a perfect example of a person who handles her finances well. Napakaganda ng kwento niya at naging inspiration siya, okay, to all people from all walks of life. And I think yung presence si Vice in Sunday can really help a lot, not only Filipinos in the Philippines because we're already open all over the globe and we're already inspiring mga OFWs. So I believe Vice can be a big help dun sa advocacy ng Sunday.
I was about to ask, is the brand targeting international expansion really soon with Vice ganda?
Well, right now, Sunday is open in 10 countries. Most of the countries that we have right now are maraming OFWs like Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, and of course, the USA. We're starting in the USA. And sabi ko tamang-tama because ang goal natin next year, 2025, is really to inspire and empower Filipinos. Our objective is always start working abroad. You have the purpose why you're there, but start building your business because there's so much more in life than just working abroad. Ang goal kasi namin balang araw, they have a business of Sunday in different countries and they can go back home while retaining their business there. And Vice can be of big help to us.
Galing! Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero paano yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Sunday? Para, sabi mo, hindi ka nag-breakfast, no? So yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isa pang magandang effect sa akin, magmula nung nag-take talaga ako ng Sunday Party, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So, masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula. Yung pag-isip ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, mag-toothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siya, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Sunday Party, hindi siya nagsisimula yung nare-release ko agad yung mga toxins. So, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko.